Welcome to Beautyistic. In today's review, we're diving into the world of hair transformations with a focus on the 13x6 deep wave lace front wig made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair. If you're in the market for a premium lace front wig that promises a natural look, softness, and styling versatility, keep watching. Let's take a closer look at the product. This wig is made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, featuring a deep wave texture that offers both volume and bounce. It boasts 180% density, ensuring that the wig feels full and lush. The 13x6 lace front design allows for a generous parting space, giving you flexibility in styling. The HD transparent lace is designed to blend seamlessly into your skin, creating a natural-looking hairline that's nearly invisible. It also comes pre-plucked with baby hair for an even more realistic effect. The wig is available in lengths from 20 to 38 inches, making it a great option for various looks and occasions. When it comes to real-world usage, this wig does a solid job of delivering what it promises. The cap size fits comfortably on most heads, with adjustable straps and 3 combs for extra security. Putting it on is easy, and the lace blends nicely into the scalp, which adds to the illusion of natural hair. I tried styling it by adding some curls, and it held up well, maintaining the deep wave texture without any issues of shedding or tangling. However, it's worth noting that while the wig is quite thick, it can feel a bit heavy for some, especially if you're new to wearing lace front wigs. It also requires a bit of maintenance, particularly with keeping the lace clean and free from product buildup. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the natural look and feel of the wig are its strongest selling points. The HD lace is a standout feature that gives it a seamless, breathable fit, and the pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs adds to the realistic effect. The density is great, giving you volume without it looking too bulky. The wig's styling versatility is another major pro. It can be dyed, bleached, or styled in different ways, making it a good investment for anyone who likes to change their look. On the flip side, the wig might not be for everyone. Its thicker texture, while full, could be a bit too heavy for those who prefer lightweight options. Also, the lace requires a bit of attention to detail, especially for those who aren't familiar with lace wig application techniques. The wig's length options may also feel overwhelming for those seeking something shorter and more manageable. So, does this wig offer good value for its price? Considering the high-quality human hair, the pre-plucked design, and the adjustable features, it stands out in terms of both value and performance. It's certainly priced on the higher end, but for the quality, durability, and flexibility it offers, it's a fair investment for those looking for a premium lace front wig. When comparing it to similar wigs on the market, you'll find that the 13x6 lace front design is a huge advantage. Many wigs at this price point may not offer such a generous lace area or the option for multiple styling methods. In terms of competition, some cheaper wigs might provide similar hair texture, but they often lack the quality lace or overall density that this one offers. As for build quality, the wig is well constructed, with strong lace and thick, soft hair that holds up well to styling. It's designed to last and can be reused several times with proper care. There's no mention of longevity data, but based on the materials in my testing, it seems to have a solid lifespan if maintained correctly. If you're wondering about customer support, I didn't need to reach out for any issues, but the brand has a generally solid reputation in the wig industry, known for quality products and good customer service. For alternatives, if you're on a budget but still want a quality human hair wig, there are a few options out there that might offer similar deep wave styles, though you might have to sacrifice some of the lace quality or density. A few cheaper brands do provide decent lace front wigs, but the overall experience might not be as luxurious as this one. To wrap it all up, the 13x6 deep wave lace front wig is a solid choice for those seeking a natural look with the versatility to style as desired. The wig offers good quality, a comfortable fit, and a realistic appearance. It does require some maintenance and attention to detail when it comes to applying the lace, but if you're looking for a wig that delivers on quality, this is a solid option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video too. Thanks for tuning into Beautyistic today. If you have any questions about the product or your own wig experiences, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget, the link to grab this product is waiting for you in the comments box. Until next time, stay fabulous and wig out with Beautyistic.